Hello and welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. My name is Mr. MacFarlane and I'm excited to have you in my course this year. This might be a crazy year, but at the same time it's going to be an awesome year. And you put those two things together, this is going to be a crazy awesome year. I just wanted to share a few things about this course with you. As in years past, we are going to be using the flipped classroom. That means you're going to be watching the video lessons on your time at home, and then in class we're going to be working on those assignments together. So if you have any questions, if you're struggling with anything, I can help you directly there. Now obviously this is going to change a little bit for our distance learning time, but also there we will have time to work together. We're going to do Google Meets, and I'll have some time for questions on there, and I will be available for you. If you're enrolled in my problem-solving course, that means you are either in algebra or in geometry, and that puts you in an advanced class. This is a 4-credit high school level class. That means you have to maintain an 80% or higher to remain in this class. If your grade should drop below that, you'll be placed on probation, and we might have a conversation to see what is the best fit for you to help you be successful in math. Concerning retakes, if you score below a 70% on a chapter test, you'll have an opportunity to retake that to bring that grade up to a 70%. In regards to late work, if you turn your assignment in late, you will still be able to retrieve half credit for that. But please make sure you turn your assignments in on time. And make sure that you always bring your Chromebook fully charged with you. We cannot let everybody charge their Chromebooks in school, so you are responsible to make sure it is fully charged and you have it with you every day. Talking about the Chromebook, let's have a quick look at Canvas and Clever, two platforms that we're going to be using a lot throughout this year.
All right, here we are in Canvas. All right, this is the platform you're going to be using a lot this year, and this is in your course. If you're in Algebra 1, this is your course. In Geometry, it's going to look similar to this. All right, and then if you want to find your assignments, those are over here under Assignments. You can click on there, and you can see the upcoming assignments, or you can also click on the calendar. Now notice on the calendar, these are listed on there by their due date. So let's say if on Monday you have an assignment, well, it's due on Tuesday. That means it's on your calendar on Tuesday. So you always kind of have to look ahead and see what's coming up. All right. And then you can go back to courses. On here, I have a link, Access Clever. Okay. And then something about me and screencasts. All right. The screencasts are your video lessons. This is going to take you to the YouTube channel, and then you find the chapter. Also, I've been putting the screencasts on the calendar, so there's two places for you to find those. Your online book can be found in Clever. So the big idea is online book can be found in Clever. Click on this. It will open your Clever page. Now yours is going to look a little bit different from mine because this is the teacher page, but then you'll go over here and click on Big Ideas. It might not be under your favorites yet, then just put a little heart like that on there, and then you can click that. Okay, this will take you to a page with all your textbooks. You select your algebra book, and it'll pop up on this page. Again, yours might look slightly different, but you will have this ebook icon. Click on the ebook icon, select the algebra book if it doesn't automatically load, or geometry if you're in geometry. And then this takes you to your textbook. All right, so let's say we are in Chapter 1, Section 1. All right, now notice right there underneath the heading, first page of the chapter, is a little icon. We're going to try to zoom in on that a little bit, see whether we can see that. That says Student Workbook. It's a tiny little icon on the first page of each section. Okay, so if you want to access the student workbook, you have to click on that little icon, and there's the workbook. Okay, so if you ever have a workbook assignment in your textbook, you can find that. First page of each section, let's say 1, 2, finding cube roots, we go there. Notice there's the little icon. Click on that and it'll bring up the workbook for that section. Okay, so that is the online textbook. If you want to navigate directly to a page, you can just type that in up here. Let's say your assignment is on page 13, and we can go straight there, and there's page 13, and you can do the assignment from there. All right, so there you go. That's a quick intro to Canvas and Clever. Those are your two main resources we're going to be using this year.
All right, that's it for our intro video. I'm excited to have you in class. We might have a few challenges, a few obstacles to overcome this year, but remember, struggle breeds the growth. So I'm looking forward to an awesome year in this problem-solving course with you. Remember, many things are difficult, few impossible. Let's do this.